Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed. In today's video, we review various immersion blenders for baby food. Stick with me till the end to see our top pick of the best immersion blender. We'll start with the Utalent 3-in-1 8-speed stick blender. The Utalent 3-in-1 blender is just for you if you're seeking a powerful and easy-to-use blender. The blender comes with 8 speeds and turbo variations, rendering it one of the most powerful immersion blenders. Its design allows for minimal noise and shakes, and includes egg whisk, milk frother, and mixing wand functions. Additionally, the blender is dishwasher safe, lightweight, and its materials are food safe. It also offers value for its money because, besides baby food, the blender can also produce soups and milkshakes. Sage Spoonfuls Baby Food Maker and Immersion Blender. Sage Spoonfuls Baby Puree and Blender offers value for money to its users. Part of its collection is a set of food storage tins to enable you to prep and store food for the baby in bulk. Its 2-in-1 food system allows you to blend whatever food to your desired texture and quantities. Its materials are food safe, ensuring the baby's safety. The set is lightweight and dishwasher safe. With a wattage of 300 watts, Sage Spoonfuls food processor can produce grains, meats, nuts, and fish. Braun MultiQuick 5-maker and hand blender. If you're keen on convenience, consider the Braun MultiQuick blender. The immersion blender has a unique bell shape at the bottom that prevents the blades from scratching or damaging any surface and eases cleanup by containing splashes. You can use it on diverse surfaces, bowls, pots, or pans. It has a chopper that adds food processor properties for producing pureed or chunkier sized food, depending on your preference. It also offers 2 speeds and a power of 350 watts, which is inadequate for efficient food processing. There's also a 1.5 cup chopper, helping with portioning, as well as flexible freezer tray, comfort grip, and extra milling blade. Unfortunately, the set is not dishwasher safe. Besides baby food, the blender can also produce smoothies, sauces, and soups. Which is the best? Utalent 3-in-1 8-speed stick blender is the cheapest, least noisy, and most powerful blender of the 3 that we've discussed. Even with its low prices, it offers the best value for the money due to its versatility, efficiency in processing food, and easy-to-clean attributes. Thanks for watching.